Hey everyone, it's Duong. Today we're diving into something crucial that 99% of men over 50 are unknowingly getting wrong, impacting their health significantly. If you're a man in this age group or you care about one, this video could genuinely be a lifesaver. We're focusing on everyday habits that, over time, can erode your vitality, confidence, and even your most private functions. These insidious routines often fly under the radar, but hold immense power over our long-term well-being. Most men don't connect these daily choices with the gradual decline they might be experiencing. They might attribute fatigue, low mood, or decreased performance to just getting older. But what if age isn't the primary culprit? What if it's the accumulation of these overlooked habits? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on 5 of the most dangerous yet common mistakes that men over 50 make. More importantly, we're going to arm you with practical, actionable solutions to fix them. We'll break down the science in a way that's easy to understand and give you clear steps you can start implementing right away. Because it's never too late to take control of your health and build a stronger, more vibrant future. So grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's get into it. This information could truly change the trajectory of your health. 15. Let's kick things off with a topic many guys shy away from: hygiene below the belt. As we get older, our skin becomes thinner, drier, and more sensitive. This increased sensitivity means it's more susceptible to irritation and infection if not cared for properly. That area is often subject to sweat, especially if you're active or live in a warmer climate. Dead skin cells naturally accumulate, and tight, non-breathable underwear creates a perfect breeding ground for bacteria and fungi. This isn't just about odor, it's about preventing conditions like jock itch, yeast infections, and other forms of dermatitis. 2 common mistakes: using harsh soaps and neglecting the area. Harsh soaps can strip the skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Neglecting the area allows sweat and bacteria to build up. Proper hygiene is about being mindful and consistent. Opt for a gentle, pH-balanced, fragrance-free cleanser. Cleanse the area thoroughly but gently, and pat dry completely. Choose breathable fabrics like cotton for underwear. Cotton allows for better air circulation, reducing sweat buildup and bacterial growth. Change your underwear daily and more frequently if you've been sweating heavily. Avoid overly tight underwear or pants for long durations. By adopting these simple hygiene practices, you're actively preventing potential infections and skin issues. Your skin's resilience changes, and your habits should adapt accordingly. Taking these small steps consistently will significantly reduce your risk of irritation and infections. Treating it with care ensures it stays healthy and doesn't become a source of unnecessary problems. Your future self will thank you for paying attention to this often neglected aspect of personal care. It's a small investment in time and awareness that yields significant returns in terms of your daily well-being and long-term health. 24. Next up is a habit that's far too common among men over 50, skipping annual health checkups. These appointments are critical for maintaining your health and catching potential problems early. Many men adopt an "if it ain't broke, don't fix it" mentality, waiting until they experience symptoms before seeing a doctor. This reactive approach can be incredibly risky, especially as we age. Many serious health conditions develop silently in their early stages. Annual checkups are your frontline defense. During these visits, your doctor can perform routine screenings and tests to detect conditions early. For example, blood tests can reveal a wealth of information about your health. Discussions and screenings for prostate health become particularly important. Think of your annual checkup as a regular maintenance schedule for your body. One simple blood test a year could mean the difference between identifying a minor imbalance and facing a life-altering diagnosis. Early detection dramatically improves treatment outcomes and can prevent irreversible damage. These appointments are an excellent opportunity to discuss your lifestyle and get personalized advice. Don't wait until something hurts or feels significantly off. Scheduling that annual appointment is an investment in your longevity and future well-being. Consider the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're actively monitoring your health. Make that call, book that appointment. It's not just for you, it's for your loved ones too. 19. Let's talk about what's on your plate. Specifically, the types of meat many men consume regularly. A hearty steak, sausages, or a juicy burger might be satisfying, but making them a staple of your diet can contribute to health problems. Red meats, Particularly processed varieties are often high in saturated fats and compounds that promote inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a key driver of many age-related diseases. The way these meats are cooked, especially at high temperatures, can create harmful compounds. These substances are known carcinogens and can increase oxidative stress in the body. This chronic inflammation and oxidative stress can negatively impact your hormonal balance. While protein is essential, the source and type of protein matter significantly. Diets high in inflammatory meats can contribute to lower testosterone. The alternative? Making smarter choices and shifting towards less inflammatory protein sources. Leaner proteins like skinless poultry, fish rich in omega-3s, and plant-based options are excellent choices. Omega-3 fatty acids are anti-inflammatory, offering a double benefit. Plant-based proteins are typically low in saturated fat and high in fiber. Incorporating more of these into your diet can significantly reduce your intake of inflammatory compounds. Focus on building an anti-inflammatory eating pattern overall. Load up your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables, especially leafy greens and berries. Healthy fats, such as those found in olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds, are also crucial. Instead of high-heat grilling or frying, consider gentler cooking methods. This isn't about deprivation, it's about making informed substitutions that support your long-term health. By shifting towards a more anti-inflammatory dietary pattern, you're protecting your heart and reducing your risk of chronic diseases. 21. Let's talk about why getting moving is so vital, especially for men over 50. The quality of your circulation affects virtually every system in your body. Poor circulation can be a silent saboteur of your well-being. One of the biggest culprits for declining circulatory health is prolonged sitting. This sedentary lifestyle causes our blood vessels to become stiffer and less flexible. It also reduces the body's natural production of nitric oxide, crucial for blood flow. When blood vessels are stiff and nitric oxide production is low, your heart has to work harder. This can contribute to high blood pressure and increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. Reduced blood flow means less oxygen and fewer nutrients are delivered to your vital organs. The good news is that even moderate amounts of regular physical activity can have a profound impact. Just 20 to 30 minutes a day of brisk walking can improve blood vessel elasticity and lower blood pressure. Incorporating some basic bodyweight exercises like squats can also be incredibly beneficial. Resistance band exercises are another fantastic option. Exercise strengthens your heart muscle, makes your blood vessels more pliable, and encourages the growth of new blood vessels. Regular physical activity doesn't just benefit your circulation, it helps manage weight, improves mood, strengthens bones, boosts your immune system, and improves sleep quality. The key is consistency. If you've been largely sedentary, start slowly and gradually increase the duration and intensity. Find activities you enjoy to make it more likely you'll stick with it. Even small changes like taking the stairs instead of the elevator can add up. By making exercise a regular part of your routine, you are actively combating the age-related decline in circulatory function. Take a look at your daily routine and find ways to incorporate more movement. Small, consistent efforts will pay huge dividends for your circulation and overall health. Your body is designed to move, honor that design, and it will reward you. 24. Let's address a habit many men fall into: the overuse of stimulants. Relying heavily on multiple cups of coffee, alcohol, or male energy boosters can be detrimental to your health. Stimulants might offer a temporary lift, but their long-term use creates a vicious cycle. Excessive caffeine can overwork your adrenal system, leading to adrenal fatigue. This creates an artificial high followed by a crash, prompting you to reach for another stimulant. Alcohol can disrupt sleep architecture, dehydrate you, and negatively impact hormone levels. Male energy boosters often contain high doses of caffeine with little scientific backing. The real solution lies in addressing the fundamentals, achieving balance in your lifestyle. Prioritize real restorative sleep. Focus on whole food nutrition for sustained energy. Manage stress effectively with healthy coping mechanisms. Persistent fatigue can also be a sign of an underlying medical condition. Reducing your reliance on stimulants doesn't mean you can never enjoy a cup of coffee again. It's about moderation and mindfulness. Pay attention to how much you're consuming and how it makes you feel. The goal is to cultivate natural, sustainable energy from a healthy body and balanced lifestyle. Address the root causes of fatigue for improved energy levels without the roller coaster highs and lows of stimulant use. This approach supports long-term vitality and well-being far more effectively. 19. So, there you have it. 5 common yet often overlooked habits that can quietly undermine male health after 50. It's crucial to understand that most men don't lose their edge simply because of age. More often than not, they lose it because of these silent, cumulative habits. The good news is that you have the power to change this narrative. You can reverse the impact of many of these habits, and you can start right now. If any of the habits we talked about today resonated with you, please don't feel ashamed or discouraged. Instead, feel empowered. Knowledge is power, and now you have the knowledge to make informed choices and take positive action. You genuinely have the choice to change your story. It's never too late to adopt healthier routines and build a stronger, more resilient you. What's the one habit you feel ready to tackle or change starting today? Share your thoughts and commitments in the comments below. If this video provided you with valuable insights, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to Longevity Killers for more science-based tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.